Just driving down to Jack's. We're gonna go for a bit of a fish off the rocks today. I got a little burley, fresh kawa and a bag of pillies, so we'll see what we can catch. I think we've got the Kontiki as a backup plan, but yeah, I think we're going out to Jones Bay, Tafanui, so I'll either see you at Jack's or I'll see you out there. Cheers.
Download the Tova podcast now on Rover to hear a New Zealand exclusive.
Tova O'Brien beats Ukraine.
Made it down to a little area. Looks quite nice, not much wind. That little seal looks pretty cool. There's Jack over there. I'm all baited up. I'm gonna send a pilly out, see what happens. Got the old girl today, the old dial reel. There's Jack in the background. He's made up rod holder. Just patiently waiting now. Just hooked up to a small one, so they're biting, so I'll get another bait out. Trevally! Nice!
Fresh sashimi!
Another Trev.
Another trip.
Main.
Sweet. All right. Yep, snap her in the taco. You're gonna have to swim him up. Oh, yep. Be slightly better. Come on. Bring him up with this wave. There we go. Yeah, that's a
A bit of an update. We've got a couple fish. Jack's been pretty good on the stray liner. I just got a bite. It's not a fish though, so that's alright. Not hooked up.